Going itch my back. The under there. Going to your side. Ito na yung ating karne. Ito mga darling, no? Ito. Ganyan. Karne. Lagyan natin ng oyster sauce. Oyster sauce. Atin itong himas-himasin mamaya, no? Yan. Oyster. Paminta. At yun, hipu-hipuin lang natin at ating lagyan sa kabila. Huwag na nating damihan ng oyster sauce mga loves. Lagyan na natin konting asin sa kabila at konting paminta. At yun, i-wrap lang natin siya sa oven. Nilagyan ko siya ng pang season ng steak. And then yun, konti lang. I-wrap natin, ilagay natin sa oven. Pagkatapos niyan mga darling, i-flip natin siya and i-close ulit natin para maging tender at hindi siya madry. At yun, nagkamali ako dito kasi niluto ko siya ng 4 na oras. At hintayin po ninyo ang resulta. Kasi nga, 4 na oras nga. At habang naghihintay tayo sa ating beef mga darling, lutuan natin si Mr. ng mashed potato and asparagus. So, hindi po ito mahirap gawin kasi meron na siyang instruction mga darling. So, madali lang kung ano yung instruction na yung gawin mo. Pero nga, si Tami mahilig siya. Gusto niya yung mashed potato niya is para ng sobrang, ang hindi mahirap kunin, no? As in sobrang moist. So, ang dinagdag ko dito is butter. Kailangan lagyan ng butter kasi si Tami mahilig dyan. And then, nag-add din ako dito ng milk kasi yan yung pinaka talagang ina-add ni Mr. kapag magluluto or magmi-mix siya ng mashed potato. Maaga kasi si Mr. ngayong makauwi sa bahay. So, yon at excited ako kaya nagluto talaga ako nito guys. And ang ating ribs, adoy ginoo ko. 4 na oras, hindi ko na-realize na grabe na pala. At yun, tinitignan ko naman dito yun mga loves yung ating ribs. No, okay naman siya hanggang dumating si Mr. That's not string beans?
No, compost.
That's not string beans, huh? That's asparagus. I need to bake more.
That's asparagus?
Yeah. Let me try. Oh, he's coughing now. Tender po siya mga loves at hindi sobrang dry. Hindi pa siya, papunta na siya sa dry na dry talaga. At okay pa naman siya ito, okay pa siya. As in talagang nagulat ako kasi nga akala ko maging okay siya mga loves kasi na, niluluto ko ito noon sobrang tagal sa oven. Pero yun. Natanggal. It's real meat. It's not. It's not printed. Hala, I don't get asparagus. Masarap. Nagustuhan ni Mr.
You're pissing me off.
Why you press up?
Because you don't come down. I'm gonna throw it away in a minute.
Yeah, take it away. He becomes spoiled, and you know that. He wanted to put wherever his foot is, that's where it should be. But man, look at this. Look how it's pulling that. He want the food close to him. Nagkamay naman si Inday Mary. Sabi pa ni Tami, are you using knife? Sabi ko, bakit naman ako magamit ng knife? May ipin naman ako. Hindi man ako ganito sa labas. Dito lang sa bahay ko. Tapos sa bahay ko naman ito. So, ganito lang. Kung ano yung nagpapasaya sa akin, ito na.
Even Larry's not touching it.
I think I cook it long. For hours.
Oh, look at it. It's good beef, not pork.
It should be juicy. I mean, it's tender. It's not dry. But it's going there. Can you itch my back? The under there. Going to your side. Up. Up. Do you know? Of course, you don't even get that. You don't hit that spot.
You gotta give me more direction. You said under there, and you said up.
Under that, little bit under. There, in the shoulder blade.
This is the blade here.
Under the shoulder blade. Okay, that's good. Thank you. I need. Yeah. Thank you, love.
Why is it? Oh, coconuts. What the fuck?
You don't even know why we're going to the
Don't.
store.
I just told
Oh my God, I wish I can scratch my back.
you. Need more scratch?
Yes, love.
You told me that was it.
Under there.
You told me that was it. So I stopped.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, honey. That's good. Thank you,
Okay,
na.
10 seconds you were saying I need to scratch my back.
That's good. Anyway, so magpunta kami sa tindahan and I'm his driver. And I like driving. And I like having company with this guy. Who knows? You know, he's going to his first wife. Ang daming nagsasabi na you have a first wife. I'm his first and last. You think I'm the last?
You are.
Huh?
You are.
Ay, so lucky naman ako. Ako yung pinakaunang asawa nito, mga loves, no? Ako yung pinakaunang asawa niya at wala nang iba. Kasi, no, alam nyo, nung na-meet ko ito, he's a single man. Single and available. Minaw, ha? Di kaya alimpatakan. Tignan nyo, ang daming moldy na pagkain na. Adudoy, ning si Mister. Adudoy, ning akong asawa. Ito na, hindi na ito nakakain. Ito din. Ang daming cheese dito. Aroy, ning asawa ko. Ang daming cheese. Aguroy. Ang dami. Hindi ko na alam kung ano gagawin. Oh, mga bagong ano, oh. This is bad. Tingnan yung asawa ko, mga love. Bago masira. Yun. Trabaho pa tayo, naka-uniform pa ako, mga loves. Galing sa trabaho. So, galing ka mag-grocery. So, bumili si Tami ng ito. Cauliflower. And then, bumili din siya ng salmon. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ito lulutuin. Pagkamahal. Ang mahal-mahal ng salmon, mga loves. Ang mahal. Grabe. Grabe talaga. $10 ito siya, $10. At yun, nagulat po ako mga loves kasi sinabihan niya ako bumili siya ng salmon kasi po matagal na daw akong hindi nakakain ng salmon. Kasi talagang mga loves, ang hirap maghanap ng wild caught na salmon na maganda yung quality. No, kasi po ang dami pong mga wild caught pero talagang purong kung sa Bisaya pa mura magdugmok na oy lisod na kaman kay kanon. Kaya sabi niya sa akin, sa tingin daw niya ito magustuhan ko. So kaya ngayon, namahalan ako mga loves kasi sobrang liit nito at hindi siya yung parang thin ba. So ang mga nilalagay ko lang dito is onion powder, oil, at saka lemon, and then yung Maggi Savor, yun lang, asin, paminta. Yun lang siya mga loves, and i-bake ka siya mga matagal. Yun talagang mag-crunchy na siya. At ito na yung ating cauliflower, atin na tong i-bake din ito para kasi malalabas pa ako, magluto pa ako, di ba walang katapusan mga loves. Ang katawan ko talaga bugbog ngayong araw sa garden, and then paghapon, umalis pa kami, naggrocery pagkatapos yan, pag uwi ko, sabi ko late naman ito, ay alas 4 na, magluto na naman ako. So talagang si Inday Miriam sobrang pagod na mga darling. Yung asawa natin ba, na busy sa panunood ng TV. And then ako busy sa pagluluto ng kanin, ng ano. Shh. Shh. Yun mga loves, kain na tayo kasi diet, no? Diet. Walay usong diet mga loves, nasurtihan lang na walang rice. I don't have rice, so my husband doesn't cook rice because ring nagako. So I have the wild caught salmon. Do you wanna try, love? And it tastes like wild. It tastes like wild. This is how wild tastes like, salmon?
Yep.
So ito yung rice ko mga loves. Cauliflower. The other salmon is different. Thicker.
Which one's better?
Huh?
Which one is better?
This one it is salmon, but
But you like the other one better.
because there's a lot of fake news in it. Fake news. It's a prank. Mm. I will be starving later.
Chicken.
Rice is the only thing that makes my stomach happy. Do you like your chicken? I didn't put salt in it, love. No salt, nothing.
They're supposed to be.
It's just the chicken seasoning and the lemon thing seasoning. That's it.
It's possible to get help I need for me and my family. It's possible to hang push-ups again.
To feel understood. To begin hearing both inside and out.
To feel like myself again.
He's closing his eyes, hon. He doesn't care. Did you feed him?
Yeah, I'll sleep it on my face. So what I got? I said, he jumped on my neck. And then he decided to jump on the back of the couch.
The face! Aroy, that face is so good looking.
Bag they put him in? It's an orange bag, so it makes it look orange. Like it looks more orange than they actually are.
So I have the confidence in live my life. This belly can cause lung problems or an abnormal heartbeat, which can lead to death. It can cause serious skin reactions, liver problems, and lower blood cell counts that may result in